package in the mail from YouTube. Just wanted to make a quick little video about it. Looks like it's the 100 subscriber play button, and this is a big moment for my channel. Man, I can't believe we've come so far. Thank you, YouTube, for sending this. See on the back there, it's got a little message. Yeah, I just want to thank YouTube, thank all you guys for all your support throughout the years. And shout out to the guy who sold me my laptop that I'm editing this on right now. He said I wouldn't find a good laptop for under $700 if I wanted to edit videos, so screw you. I'm editing on it right now.